Okay, so we'll start with the visible light that's coming in, and 30% is being reflected. So of the 100% that comes in, 30% is reflected and 70% is transmitted. So using those percentages, I can divide by 10 and times by 3 to get this number. Divide by 10 and times by 7 to get this number. Now looking at the other side, where the infrared is trying to be emitted from the Earth, the first thing is I've got infrared only coming in, and the only output is this arrow here, which tells me that those two must be equal. So I've got 420 coming out. That also helps us to balance the total in and the total out as being the same amounts, 420 plus 180. The next thing we need to do now is look back at those percentages, because 70% of the infrared is reflected. So this is a 70% here, this is 30% here, and 100%. This time we know the 30%. So to get to the 70, divide by 3 and times by 7. That's 140 times 7, which is 70 plus 28, so 980 watts here. And divide by 3 and times by 10, that's 1400 watts. Let's just check that all adds up. So I've also got this little path down here. This has got to be 980 as well. The heat that's absorbed and then re-emitted, and you'll see that those two add up back to 1400. And yeah, hopefully everything works.